Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back here with another healthy recipe which you will really gonna love. Oatmeal banana chocolate pancakes. Pancakes are just flat cake which we make on pan. Most of the pancakes are unhealthy because of all-purpose flour and loads of sugar. But sometimes we really deserve a morning treat. Don't worry, I'm here with a healthy pancake recipe. These pancakes are not only yummy, it's super fulfilling and full of nutrition. Before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. To make this pancake, I'm taking here oatmeal, chia seeds, bananas, cocoa powder, milk, eggs, cinnamon powder, chopped walnuts, vanilla essence, baking powder, Himalayan pink salt, unsalted butter. At first, I'm soaking chia seeds in some water. Let it be soaked for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm taking here a blending jar to blend all these ingredients together. If you don't have blender, then don't worry. You can mix all these ingredients together with the help of fork. In that case, you have to use oats flour instead of oatmeal. At first, I will blend the bananas. Next, I am adding 2 whole eggs into this blender. Again blending. If you want, then you can add only egg whites. Now adding oatmeal, cinnamon powder, cocoa powder, milk. You can choose any milk of your choice. Little bit of Himalayan pink salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 spoon of vanilla essence. Now I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm adding here walnuts and soaked chia seeds. We'll blend for just few seconds because I don't want to blend the whole walnuts and the chia seeds like totally. I'm just mixing all this together. The mixture should be in this consistency, not so thick and not so runny. Now I'm heating the pan, adding a little bit of unsalted butter. Here I am spreading all the melted butter on the surface of this pan. Make sure that your oven is on medium heat. Here I am taking the batter and making the pancakes into medium size. You can go ahead in small size or larger than this. Letting it to be cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm just turning around. Look, one side is already cooked. I'm so sorry that I am unable to show you the turning thing. I don't know why at that moment my camera turned off. I'm letting it to be cooked for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. For one serving, I'm taking here 4 medium-sized pancakes. These pancakes take time to cook like 5 to 7 minutes. I like to eat these pancakes with some strawberries, and that's why I'm adding some sliced strawberries on top of this and adding some honey. I really love the taste of honey. I didn't add any sugar in this recipe, that's why for extra sweetness I'm adding some honey. Adding some sliced bananas. These pancakes are really good option for Christmas breakfast or any winter morning breakfast. My oatmeal banana chocolate pancakes are ready to eat. If you have sweet tooth and you want to eat something special in your breakfast, then this recipe is great for you. If you don't like oatmeal, please give it a try. Believe me, this recipe will change your mindset towards oatmeal. I really love to enjoy this chocolatey banana oatmeal pancakes in any winter morning. What kind of pancakes do you really love? Let me know in comment below. If you like this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And please do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Love you guys.